Hey guys, this is Derek from ModernCastle.com. Today we'll be comparing the Roomba 675 versus the Roomba 690. Both these are budget-friendly, Wi-Fi enabled robot vacuums. So what's the difference? Let's go ahead and find out now. As always, we're going to be covering a lot in today's video. We're bringing up the time codes now if you want to jump to a specific section. If we don't cover something and you do have a question, please drop us those comments down below. We do our best to answer all those questions. And as always, if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, give us that thumbs up. It really does go a long way to helping the channel. So that said, let's get started. First, we're going to do a quick side-by-side comparison. This is one of the stranger comparison videos we've done, quite simply because there are not that many major differences between the 675 and the 690. The Roomba 675 and 690 have the same suction power, filter, battery, runtime, size, dustbin, navigation technology, bristle brush roll, dirt detection, spinning side brush, and both can connect to Wi-Fi. There are only 3 apparent differences. The 675 is a mostly black aesthetic, while the 690 is a silver and black two-tone. They have a slightly different latching mechanism for the dustbin, however the dustbin size and filter are the same. And lastly, the 690 includes a virtual barrier wall, while the 675 does not. Beyond that, the Roomba 675 and 690 are functionally the same. For the remainder of the video, we'll be walking through the specifics on many of their features and categories. Next, let's take a look at the design. The design of the Roomba 675 and Roomba 690 is basically identical, with only slight differences in the color and dustbin tray. The buttons are the same, including a central clean button, a spot clean button, and a dock return button. There are more settings and features that can be accessed through the iRobot app on your smartphone. Both the 675 and 690 have the same filter, which isn't super high-end, but it is sufficient. The dustbin is the same size, though it has a different button release mechanism on the 2 models. However, functionally, they are the same. Both models use a bristle-style brush roll, which is different from the rubberized brush roll in advanced models like the Roomba 980 and i7 Plus. Both the Roomba 675 and 690 use the AeroVac filtration system, which is Roomba's older style filter. They both come with the same 1800 mAh battery and use the same motor, in addition to having the same runtime of 90 minutes. The Roomba 675 and 690 are identical in size. They are 13 inches in diameter, 3.7 inches tall, and both weigh 7.8 pounds. Next, let's take a look at the accessories included on both models. Both the Roomba 675 and 690 include the robot vacuum, charging station, 1 battery, 2 filters, a cleaning tool, a spinning brush, and the user guide. The accessory that separates these 2 models is the virtual barrier wall, which is included with the 690 but not the 675. The virtual barrier is used to block off certain areas of a floor plan that you don't want Roomba to access. It can block off a linear path up to 10 feet long or a radial area up to 4 feet in circumference. This can be a useful tool when cleaning larger floor plans or complicated layouts with numerous obstacles. Cleaning performance ranged from good to excellent depending on the debris type and the floor type. For our cleaning tests, we only tested the 690, as testing the 675 also felt duplicative due to its identical performance specs. At Modern Castle, we test each vacuum against 4 different debris types and 3 different floor types. The Roomba 690's performance on hardwood floors was excellent. The Roomba was able to remove 100% of cereal, 96% of kitty litter, 99% of rice, and 95% of sugar. On low-pile carpet, the 690 scored 100% on cereal, 98% on kitty litter, 100% on rice, and 72% on sugar. Cleaning performance on sugar wasn't great, but this is still a good score for most robot vacuums at this price range. The ultra-fine sugar particles are difficult for robot vacuums to remove. In general, in order for a robot to remove sugar particles in carpets, you have to step up to a more expensive pricing tier. For high-pile carpet, we saw similar results, with the 690 removing 99% of sugar, 99% of kitty litter, 99% of rice, and 66% of sugar. Both the 675 and the 690 have identical usability, with the same buttons along the face of the vacuum and the ability to connect to the iRobot app. Starting a cleaning cycle is as easy as pressing the clean button on the vacuum itself. You can also connect either robot to the iRobot Home app for full wireless control. Using the app, you can start or stop a current cleaning, view cleaning history, or schedule a cleaning in the future. The Roomba 675 and 690 are also both compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant for hands-free voice control. So you can simply say, Roomba, clean, and it'll get started. Maneuverability on the Roomba 675 and 690 is the same due to their identical sizes and navigation technology. Both the Roomba 675 and 690 operate with iAdapt 1.0 technology. This is the more basic version compared to more advanced technology available in later Roomba models. These robots do not include imprint smart mapping, digital floor plans, zone cleaning, or keep-out zones, which are available on more advanced Roomba models. The 675 and 690 have drop sensors that prevent the robot from falling off stairs or ledges. The cleaning pattern can seem somewhat sporadic and unpredictable, but the cleaning performance is still perfectly fine for most homes. So, are these robots a good value, and which is the best pick for you? Both of these robots are considerably less expensive than other Roomba models. The trade-off is less advanced technology, specifically with navigation and raw suction power. However, cleaning performance is quite solid, especially at this price point. The only major difference between these two models is that the Roomba 690 includes the virtual wall, while the 675 does not. Those with a smaller floor plan or less complicated layout may not need the virtual wall at all. However, if you do want the option of keeping the robot out of certain areas of your home or certain rooms, the 690 is a good option. Either way, the Roomba 675 and 690 are both going to deliver great cleaning performance at a very reasonable price. Well guys, that is it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any comments or questions, please drop us a note down below. We're always available to help. If you like this video, please give us that thumbs up. It really does go a long way to helping the channel. If you're interested in buying the 675 or 690, we've got links in the description down below. If you want to see more from Modern Castle, definitely get subscribed, check out some of our other videos, or visit us over at moderncastle.com. We've got the full contextual write-up on this comparison, as well as other guides, tutorials, and a whole lot more. As always, thank you so much for watching.